Guys, what's up? This is Jeremy with Windows 8 for Smartsicles, and today I'm just going to be teaching you how to do your taskbar and all that good stuff. I already did a video on Classic Shell, so yeah, so you can see I have my taskbar, all this good stuff. So just first, if you want to resize it, click unlock, click lock taskbar, and it should look these little things for your toolbars, and you can just go over here, and it goes up to half your screen. So, but I just like it like that. So, and then you can lock the taskbar. So, and then you can go to Properties, and take this over here. So you can click Auto Hide the taskbar. So what that means is you click out, and why is this showing up? Like if something's loading up, that won't happen. But like this. But you can see, and you've seen it before, this just goes out to the side, and you can see a little bit. So I'm just getting rid of that. Anyways, so you can see it goes away. Let me go back to Properties. So you can use small taskbar buttons. I don't really like that. I mean, if you want to save space, it's great. But I don't do that. You can pick where it is, but actually, if you unlock it, you can just drag it around. You know? And then it starts out at the bottom. You can just do that. You know? But anyways, that's what it's going to be like for me. Lock that up again. So you can just pick it here, either top. I have it left. Taskbar buttons always combine. The hide labels combine with taskbar is full and never combine. So never combine. What that looks like. There you go. That looks cool. I might actually keep that. So anyways, so Windows Store apps, what that means is if you got some of these from the Windows Store, then if you got the newest updates and stuff, that's going to show up. So if I click like my alarm clock, and you see this comes up here, and you can minus it next out, and your taskbar will show up. I mean, and you can click that and click minus, and it'll be right there. And I think that's cool, but I don't really need it right now. So use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to show it. So what that means is, so when you go to the bottom, that just disappears. And if you click it, it all minuses automatically. So if you got a bunch of junk up and it's not going away, like let's say have all this stuff up, just click that. You can't see the actual button, but if you just go all the way down, click it twice, it'll come back up, I think. Yeah. So you can do that, or you can just, either way. Now you can still click the button, but the problem is that you can't hold it down just to see it. I mean, no, never mind. So your notification area, you can change where your notifications show up, you know. Anyways, navigation, upper right corner, or excuse me. So you can choose which icons go on there and stuff. But I don't care about that right now. Anyways, so when I point to the upper right corner, show chops. That means up here, you just have those, and that goes down here too. So yeah, when I click the upper left corner, so you can see, if I click an app, you can have my desktop right up here. So I can click that. Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click. That looks complicated. So what it, oh, duh. So when you go down here and you right click it, all this stuff shows up. So now, if you click that, Windows PowerShell will show up when you do that. Oh, I didn't know that. So you can click apply. You see, I'm learning from this too. You guys aren't the only ones learning. And that'll happen. And that doesn't seem to be different. Anyways. So when I sign in or close all apps on the screen, go to desktop instead of start. What that just means is, I use my desktop more than I use my start screen. So when I sign in, it'll go straight to my desktop. But before, it used to go to here, and I would have to click that, but it's too much work. So my desktop background on start. I did a start menu video, but that's another way to do it. Show start on the display I'm using when I press the logos key. What? That's cheesy. Isn't that what happens? Like, duh. Well, because I have Classic Shell, this unchecks. So, show the app's view automatically when I go to start. That seems dumb. Oh, duh. What that means is, when you go to start, it goes there automatically. So, list desktop apps first in apps view when it's sorted by category. So if you click that, when you go down here, oh snap, I didn't know you could do that. No way, oh, that's cool. But that's probably one of the new updates. But anyways, so what that means, it'll have your desktop stuff right here instead of your other stuff. Jump list. Number of recent items to display in jump list, 10. You can pick whatever number you want. Store recently opened programs and store display recently opened programs in jump list. Toolbars. So you can have, I have this one because I'm cool like that. You can have iTunes if you have iTunes. You can have desktop. You can have all this stuff. You can pick whichever one you want. So anyways, that's pretty much the basic rundown. You just click apply and OK. That'll happen. So now you got all this stuff there. So how to get stuff on your taskbar. So you can go to your start screen or wherever you want to get it from, and you just right click it. Oh, that's different. No, they changed it. Oh man. Alright, so in my original start screen video, I had it where you right clicked it and it showed up down here. But anyways, now they've changed it where you can put unpin from start, which I said about in my start screen video, or you can click pin to taskbar. So now you have that right there, and then you can click unpin. So you can click whatever. Oh, this is still here. Why is that even there? I thought I deleted that. But anyways, yeah, that'll pretty much be it. Wait a second. you can change your language right here. I have these two up here, but it'll come with only this one first, so you have to click language preferences. And why is this not loading? Why? Alright.